Sinta.
Tanggapin na natin na hindi ko kapalaran na maging isang professional dancer.
Ngunit tanggap ba ng kapartner niyang si Crickson?
Iyak mo lang ako.
And tonight, tatanggapin kaya ni na William Martinez, Wawi de Guzman, at Mystica ang ma-eliminate?
Kailangan ko ng wild thing.
I said I can do it, I can do it.
Ano sagot? Ang tanong?
Sa mas umiinit at mas tumitinding drama sa Shall We Dance? The Celebrity Dance Challenge.
Back to you, Lucy.
Thank you, JC. Si Madonna ang kinikilalang diva of all divas. Kaya nang bagay na bagay itong next song for our next dance challenger. Pero bago siya humataw, panoorin muna natin ang mga preparations nila for tonight.
Gusto mo ng iba? Panoorin nyo kami. 1, 2, 3. Mas exciting na mas hyper na mas nakakatakot.
I don't know when it's the split, right?
As much as I wanted to do what he wants me to do, but sometimes like I'm not perfect.
I'm out of my mind. But I'm following the counting.
The leading, not the counting.
Ano ba talaga? I quit.
We're trying.
It's stressing me out. I forgot.
Talaga naman, gusto mo talaga itong maging drama, comedy, action, adventure, ano pa ba? Wala, horror na lang.
This is supposed to be fun!
No, this is horror. Kasi tingnan mo yung mascara mo, nagiging ano ka na, The Crow.
Wala na.
Ayan, pinatawag ko na si Mystica. Ha? Pinatawag ko.
Okay, alright.
Pagkatapos itong pinagdaanan naming hirap at pagod, please lang manood kayo. It's really worth watching.
From the 1985 movie Vision Quest, sumikat ang kantang Crazy For You ni Madonna na hanggang ngayon ay kinakanta pa rin natin lahat. So to do the rumba to the tune of Crazy For You, here's our second pair, Mystica and her partner, Miguel de la Serna. Mystica and Miguel. Mukha talaga yung love. I am convinced.